Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Now listen, the time of year is up on us, so I'm going to be putting out some kind of short videos for you just as a gift guide. Now if you all have a boho person in your life, consider yourself blessed. They are some of the sweetest people. But a lot of people have confusion and questions when it comes to what to get them. That's what this video is for. I'm going to give you 10 items, all of them under $100 each, all of them available on Amazon, and all of them will arrive by Christmas if you order, I believe, today. You can click the links that I have in the description box. It'll take you right to the item, so let's hop right into it. Alrighty friends, we are going to hop right into it. First off, we have this boho style rug. This is going to be a jute area rug. Now if you look at the listing on Amazon, like I said, it is linked in the description box. This company actually offers tons of styles and sizes and all of that. Now the one specifically that I am showing you is a 4-foot round rug. It is $29.99 and it arrives before Christmas. If you order it today, it will be delivered to you by Saturday, December 23rd. Now, for those of you that do not have Prime, I'll also leave a link if you want to purchase Prime just for this month, just to make sure that all of your gifts get here within the 2-day time frame and in time for Christmas. I will link that below for you, but I thought this is a really cute rug. I actually have the same rug in my entryway. I have a black and white kind of a modern entryway, but it was very cold and I needed to warm it up. So here's another really cheap idea for you. If you have someone that loves the boho style and look, and you don't want to get them like a big extravagant gift, get them these Farmhouse Beads. Now this is going to be a 58-inch wood bead garland. They can use it on their coffee table, bookshelves, in the kitchen. You know, just sit it on top of some books and let the little jute tassels just kind of hang down. It gives boho vibes all over it, and it's only $7.99. This is a #1 best seller, and like I said, it arrives before Christmas. Okay, so next we have a beautiful boho style floor lamp. Now I was kind of confused why there is a teddy bear in the first picture, but okay, so this has the wicker shades, goes up to 65 inches, and I thought it was very, very nice and pretty. It almost gives you a little bit of rustic or farmhouse as well. I feel like this lamp is definitely multifunctional. You can put it in a variety of home decor styles, and if you order this one today, it will be at your home by Saturday. Alright, so now we have a set of macrame boho baskets. Okay, these are super cute for the boho person in your life. You're going to get 2, and I love the detail along the basket. Super easy to put together. I think it actually comes together. It doesn't really say anything about assembly. So you can use these to store brushes, you know, skincare items, toilet paper, whatever that you want to give kind of a sleek look and hide just a bit. Now this is going to be $28.99 for a set of 2, and they do come in multiple colors. Okay, so when most people think of boho home decor lovers, they think of Pompus Grass, and this is no exception. Now, I have actually purchased this. I've purchased a few of these, and I love them. So here is the trick with Pompus Grass. You're going to get 70 pieces. Take it outside, open it outside, because the little, you know, fuzzies are going to get all over. Give it a good shake, and then leave it in the sun for a few hours. That's going to allow everything to fluff up and give you the most full looking Pompus Grass that you can get. Now this comes with a beautiful variety of different plants, and you get so many that you're able to make multiple like bouquets or arrangements out of. I think I forgot to tell you, these are $7.63 for a pack of 70. Okay, so now moving on, we have the Boho Bohemian Throw Blanket. This is great to just throw over a chair or a sofa, and as you will see in the customer photos, you can really use it anywhere. Some people use it on their bed. You can even use it as a tablecloth, so it's super versatile. This is going to be 60 by 75 inches, and it's going to be $25.59. Of course, if you order it, it will arrive before Christmas. It looks like where I am, it will be delivered on Friday, but definitely check if you plan on ordering this. So next we have this blanket ladder, perfect way to display your throws, your quilts, your blankets, anything that you want on display. Now this will work in a boho style room, farmhouse, even shabby chic. Now it's super easy to assemble, and what I like most about this is not only is it so cute, but the side of the ladder that will touch your wall or lean against your wall is actually padded to make sure that it doesn't scratch or leave any marks. I thought that was so cool. Now this is $69.99 and it is highly rated on Amazon. Tons of great reviews for this. Right, so moving on, let's check out this boho style decorative wood tray. This is perfect to put on your coffee table, your dining table, even just on your kitchen countertop. Now I love the little like inlaid design on it. It looks almost distressed just a bit, and I think it will absolutely work in any boho room. Now you are able to get a variety of colors, and this one is going to be $21.98. And I've also added, as you can tell, obviously customer photos, customer review photos at the end, just so you can really see how the item looks in someone's home. Alright, so next we have a board. So whether it's a cutting board, a tray just to put on your coffee table, or lean up against your wall, you can use it as that. Now I love the fact that it is teak and it's absolutely gorgeous. This is going to be $22.97. Now I have learned to stop spending a lot of money on cutting boards because I cut them up. That is what they are there for, and I hate destroying them. So when I get a beautiful board like this, I just use it as decoration or as like a cheese board, like cheese and crackers. Now, last but not least, we have a set of boho style coasters. You're going to get 10 of them. Please excuse my cats in the background, but this is going to be made of a cotton rope, and it even comes with the holder. Super cute. If you guys are still watching, thank you so much. I do appreciate it when you guys watch my videos, especially watch them all the way through. Love you for that. I definitely appreciate it. So these are going to be $9.99, and once again, of course, they will get to you in time for Christmas. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there is a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, friends.